Hello everyone and welcome to What's Up News. Today we'll take a look into the bleaching practices of a woman in St. Andrew. She's been rubbing for a very long time, and reports reaching our news is her skin is starting to peel off. We are not quite sure why it's starting to peel off, but just take a look at our video and you will see what we're talking about. Okay, take it away, Johnny.
Jenka people, yo, my office on that one here because guess what? Yo, my blame bad. Yeah, me use, like, me can't go name out some of them, but me not go no formula still. Me use Neoprazone, me use clear and white. Yeah, anyway, me not telling no more, but look upon my skin now, it pretty. Look here. It pretty. The hand them a come, the hand them a come. Cause look up here, so. Alright, look how the skin right there, so peel off. Yo, the bleaching bad. Me tell you the blame what me have. Nobody can make it. Yo, it bad. You understand?
But is what? Is Michael Jackson's sister not? What you picking off the black top? No! But is what blame she use? Richie, you get it? You write it down? Me no use those things, you know. But you write it down? Me just want to know for educational purposes. Anyways, thanks for watching our show.